PD&QC 3.0 Outlets, Lastest 2021 car charger. Power delivery 3.0 USB-C port and quick charge USB-A 3.0 port. From 0% to 80% at 4x speed in 30 minutes. Type C and QC3.0 USB car port more useful. PD iPhone fast charge, USB-C port PC port, deliver 30 watts power for iPhone 12/mini/Pro/Pro Max/11/Pro/Pro/Max, iPhoneX/XS/XR/8/8 Plus/SE, iPad, AirPods, Galaxy S10 Plus/S9 Plus/S8 Plus. From 0% to 50% at 3x speed in 30 minutes. Noted for iPhone fast charge, need to use with USB-C to Lightning cable. Quick charge 3.0 port, max output at 18 watts. Provides 4x faster charging speed to compatible devices. Able to charge compatible devices up to 80% in just 35 minutes. Completely backwards compatible with all versions of quick charge. Waterproof and dustproof, nylon housing have effective scratch resistant, and this product also design has dustproof cap. This cap effectively protects the charger against sudden water splashes and dustproof. Security charging, waterproof 12V USB socket built-in smart IC chip. Protect the device from overvoltage, overheating, overload, or short circuit. Provide the best charging speed. Top reviews from the United States. Remove the doors. I went to install it in my motorhome above the dinette because the DW needed a charger for her tablet. I read the reviews and removed the waterproof doors because they get in the way, and if the water ever gets that high inside it won't matter anyway. It is a great fast charger, I would say, if a person ever installs on in an RV below a cabinet. It took me 3 hours to remove, lights, USB plug and 120-volt plug to run a fish tape. After I was done, I found the floor panel inside the cabinets lifts right up. I could have been done in a half hour.